Hello everyone, my name is Subramanya. In this video, I am going to explain how to make a general mode process to low latency process. Let's get started. Here, let us take a process, and in the options, we can see the process mode is in general mode. This is the process default mode, and here in the process mode, we can change to low latency. A low latency option for process greatly increase the speed at which a process executes, but not logging every state of process. Reduced logging allows the process to execute mainly in memory, where transformation and other shapes can execute quickly. Low latency is recommended if we need to execute high volume of process calls within short period of time. Generally, it is recommended for web server and event based processes. And once we selected the process mode, we need to click on OK. Here, like we changed the process mode from general mode to low latency mode and click on save. Once we click on save, we need to create a packaged component again and we need to deploy the process. Once we deployed the process, we can use the we can use and we can execute the process in low latency mode. See, in the options we can see it's in low latency mode, and we have deployed the low latency mode process, and previously it is general mode process. For more information related to the low latency process, we can find in the help guide. For limitations and differences between general mode and low latency mode, you can refer to this help guide. Thank you.